Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to change cabin air filter on 2008 Dodge Charger. This is gonna apply to Dodge Chargers made from 2006 and all the way up to 2010. So cabin air filter is actually located in the engine compartment on the passenger side right here. So to replace it we'll have to remove this plastic cover, and you have two tabs here. You just push them down and then remove that plastic cover. Next step is to remove this cover by just pulling it down. Just pull it down and now you have access to your cabin air filter. And now you just wanna pull it out. Try to remember which way it went inside so you know how to place it back in. So as we see, we have very dirty cabin air filter, and now we're gonna replace it with brand new one. So now I'm gonna install brand new cabin air filter the same way that it was the old one, so those arrows will be pointing towards the vehicle. So I'm just gonna put it inside this slot here. Wanna make sure it's nice and flush. Now we're gonna close with this cover and put this plastic cover as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching.